mindful movement.
Hello my YouTube family, welcome to Mindful Movement channel. For those of you are new to my channel, welcome. For those of you been following me this journey, thank you for the support. Today I want to show you how to cook tripe with veggie. We call it in Eritrea, in Tigrinya, ogora. So I want to show you how to cook it the way I cook it. Let's get into it. So the ingredients would be red pepper, yellow pepper, and then green. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 tomatoes. I have 3 carrots. I have 2 garlic. If you want to add, you can add garlic. I love mushroom, so I like to add my mushroom right here. Cabbage is right there. So this is, and then this is spicy. You can buy this from Ethiopian store or Eritrean store. Last but not least would be salt. So right now I'm going to fill water in a pot. Let's get into it. So here's the water, and I'm going to turn on now the heat. So while the water is boiling, I'm gonna get ready for this tripe. And then while I'm getting ready, at the same time I'm gonna start chopping some onions. So here's the stomach. So first I'm gonna make it smaller pieces, not all the way chop it, but smaller pieces. You have to boil it, the tripe, otherwise it's gonna be hard. Whenever we cook tripe, first we have to boil it. Otherwise, if we cook it without boiling the tripe, it's gonna be hard when you chew. I've done it, so I learned my mistake. So I don't want you. So I'm telling you so that way you guys don't make the mistake that I made it before. And then the water is boiling. I chop them, so my onion part is done. I'm gonna put this on the side. Next would be my 4 tomatoes. I already washed them. I'm gonna wash my knife. My 4 tomatoes are done. Next would be mushroom. Here's the tomato. Like I said, I love mushroom, so I decided to mix that with that tripe. It's a lot. After mushroom, I'm gonna use this half of it. Cabbage. Here are my three peppers. So I'm gonna use them half of them. You can chop them like this, just leave it like that, or you can chop them the way I'm doing it. Here's my last uh, carrots, and I chopped them on like this slide. This is what I like it, and this is the garlic. This is and then this is the tripe. Already, it was hot and it was already cold off, and then I chopped them off. So I just did like this because I don't just to save time. So right now, the first I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start putting in the pot one by one. So I'm gonna start off with the uh, onions. I'm using pure vegetable oil. You can use any oil. Once the onion has got yes, like saute, like really like cook it, I'm gonna put them all of them together, so that way um, I can say, I can save time. So as you guys can see, I changed the pot. I ended up changing the pot because the one I had it before, once I put the cabbage that I forgot, it was packed. It was full of like all the veggies and then tripe. So I ended up using this one because as you see right here, it's a lot. And then I'm still choosing to wait on this one because carrots doesn't need a lot of heat because once I put the heat, it's gonna be smushy. It's gonna be like smashed real quick when I mix them. So I'm good. I want to wait on the carrots. I want to put the carrots when this almost cooked. Here's the last part. So if you guys want it like this, you can leave it like that and then put salt and then that's it. But if you like me, you can put spice. The spice, barbara. Like we call it barbara. That up to you. For me, I like it for color only, not for the taste. That means it's just colorful, not spicy. Like I said, this is how much you want it with the spice. I don't like a lot of spice food. I can try new food though from other country, but nah, spice is not for me. This is salt. This is how much you want to put salt. Just cook it until mix that a little bit, and then that would be it. The food is ready. Here's my injera. You guys haven't had a food since the morning, except I ate apple. So I'm gonna eat it. So if you guys can come, and I would love to share with you guys. There it is. It's the colorful and veggie, everything. I'm gonna try with you guys right now. It's very delicious. Thank you for watching. Until next time.